Hello friends, you're welcome back to the Chimba dedicated video channel. I want to share with you, wow, it's good news. I just won the 5 million Hamster Kombat Combo. This is the first time I'm winning this. You see, all this one I've made a lot of trials, like, is it possible? Now, look at me. I'm now on the epic level. What I had before I got to this point was less than 2 million. I was having 1 point something million. I wasn't even up to that stage, that's 2 million. You know, after the 2 million stage, which should be what is that, then you go to the 5 million stage. But now I just shot up the 2 million, shot up the 5 million by winning this 5 million Hamster Combat. Now I just want to show you, for those of us, you know, there's still time. You still have up to 16 hours to make it work. So I'm going to show you quickly. If you have not done this, please, you can claim this. Very important. So you can't afford to miss it. This is very free. We're not going to hide it. Then I end it. I'm not going to keep it to myself. I need to tell you. So look at the 3 things that make it up. You can see them. Look at it. BTC pair, app center listing, and YouTube gold button. The question is, the truth is that any one of them you that come first, it will enter. All we need is a combo. Now, what I'm going to do to make it so easier for you to tell you where to get all of this. If you look at these areas where you have markets, PR around team, Lego, and specials, let me show you where to get all of this. Now, you know how this is work. You must be able to have the price to pay for each of them. If you don't have up to the amount to pay for it, then you're not going to get it. So for this BTC pay, you're going to find it here. It's under market. That's what you're seeing here. Are you seeing it? This is the BTC pay. Look at it. So if you want to feed that combo, click on this one. Pay the price. Like in this case now, the price here is 300 and something naira. So once you pay the price, the thing will stay there. Then to get the app center listing, the app center listing is under specials. It's under this place. That's where you're going to find it. Now let's check the price. If you click on specials, now if you click on specials, you are going to look at it. You're going to find that. Let me show you app center listing. Why you are seeing it here on that? Because if you look at this special area, you're going to see my cards, new cards, missed opportunities. The ones you have missed that you can't use again are under missed opportunity. New cards are the ones that are still new. My cards are the ones I've already claimed. All of this. So that one is under my app center listing. Now listen to me. Some of us don't understand it. Before now, I don't understand it. That I've already claimed this card is part of my card. The truth is that in filling the combo, this card is already claimed, can still be like that BTC, whatever you see. In fact, these 3 cards, I've already claimed them before now. They are already part. Okay, the one I've not claimed is the one at the center. This YouTube Go button. I've never claimed it before. You understand? But this app center listing, I've already claimed it before, but it's still the part of the combo needed for today. So don't think of it must be something new. Check in the ones you have already claimed. It could be there. Are you getting it? Now, BTC Pay is something I've already claimed. I told you BTC Pay is under market. App Center listing is under specials. YouTube Gold button. I find YouTube Gold button, I think, under, let me check. It's like under PR and team. Let me check it again. Where exactly I got that YouTube Gold button. Okay. It should be under special too. Sorry, it was under special too. Look at it. You see it. So, go to your special. You are going to find the YouTube Go button. Go to that same special. You are going to find the App Center listing. If you have all the money to pay for the prices, as of the time I purchased this now, it was 16,000 plus. Now it has gone to 19,000 plus for my own side. I wouldn't know what will be on your side. If you have enough, you know what it means, 5 million. So even if all you have is, let's say, 50,000, use them. If the 50,000 will buy all of these 3 to give you the combo of 5 million, is superb. You're going to jump. You understand? So I'm showing you this so you can do it. All of this is tomorrow another combo will come. You see how people, sometimes when you look at people's balance, you say, wow, you're seeing millions, 10 million. So why are these people crazy? How are they getting all this? Combo is doing something. So once you learn how to do this, you're going to be happy. And I'm going to tell you, if there's another combo tomorrow, I will share with you how you're going to be part of it. So if you are new to this channel, this is the right time to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that once we release the follow-up videos, you're going to follow up. Just keep following us and get to see what we're doing. So if you have a comment, use the comment. You have something to say, use the comment box. If this video makes sense to you, I know it makes sense to you. It's a good news. please don't just forget to give us a thumbs up. For those of you watching this video and you don't even understand what I'm saying, say, which one is Hamster Kombat? Brother, this is money on crypto. If you are not yet joined this, ask me for the link to join. Or you're going to see it in the video description area. Please join right away. Something is happening in the crypto world and you can't afford to miss this. You heard about Notcoin? Thought it was a joke? Notcoin paid people crazy. And this is another one coming up. So I'm going to stop at this moment. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.